Every word you speak casts a spell, a contract with yourself that you agree to fulfill. When you use the word deal with to discuss your approach to a person or situation, you contractually agree with yourself to treat that person or situation as a problem. Fundamentally, dealing with is a strategy for blame, creating a situation out of your control that you deem needs to change in order for you to move forward. Blame puts you in a hostage situation. You're having to negotiate your freedom from a situation that is outside of your control and cannot be negotiated with. In order to release yourself from this hostage contract, choose to address rather than deal with people and situations. When you hear yourself saying, I need to deal with this, instead say, I'm going to address this. To address is a sign of mental and emotional maturity. Addressing puts you in control. Addressing a person or situation places both you and the other person on equal footing. It creates a level playing field to interact and exchange rather than to dominate and control. Blame is competition, and you're in a game you can't win. Choosing to address is the behavior of self-respect. It knows itself as the sole owner of its actions and behaves in recognition of its nobility and power. You are noble. Address yourself accordingly. Live deliberately. Namaste.